Hello everyone, my name is Prabhu Singh. I'm currently pursuing BTech Computer Science from Lovely Professional University. I'm today here to discuss about the company called Pratik Sales Limited and its IPO. So, talking about the Pratik, it's a leading Indian brand in the decorative wall panels and premium laminates. The company has started operation in 2004 and has built a strong presence with more than 3,200 designs, 30 plus products categories, and a distribution market covering 116 plus cities across the India. It follows an asset light model. What is this asset light model? It means it does not manufacture product itself, but it works with the more than 36 global contract manufacturers that help it to scale fast without heavy investment. The market they serve is also interesting. India's decorative wall panel is worth more about 2,400 crores and around 71% of that is organized. The rest 29% is unorganized. Europatheek has around 15 to 16% of share of this organized segment, making it one of the top player, especially with its brand Europatheek and Glorio positioned towards the premium interiors. Now, now talking about the IPO, it was opened on 16 September 2025 and closed on 18 September 2025. The issue size of this IPO was 451 crore and the price band was 235 to 247. The best thing about this IPO was it was 100% offer for sale. So the promoters sold their parts as a stake. The promoters' holding dropped from 88% to 70%. Before the IPO started, they raised 135 crores from anchor investors like 361 Group, Pinebridge Global Funds, Motilal Oswal Mutual Funds, and a well-known investor, Assis Kachaloria. This shows a strong sign of confidence. Now, talking about how does this stock performed, it listed at around 272 on NSE, which was 10% above the issue price and later climbed near 341 in November 2025, meaning investors who held the stocks after listing gained well profits. Their, their financial performance has been solid. Revenue grew from 264 crores in FYP23 to 284 crores in FYP25. Profit rose from 59.5 crore to 76.4 crore in the same period. EBITDA margins are very strong at 38 to 40%, much higher than typical sector peers. Now, looking at the valuation, the IPO was priced at around 33 times the earnings, which is considered to be expensive. But high returns like ROE around 32 to 39% and a very low debt levels help justify part of that premium. However, there are couple of challenges. The company have high working capital cycle, meaning a lot of cash is stuck in inventories and receivables. Also, the IPO money did not come into the business. Future growth is still dependent on internal profits. To conclude about this company, Europratik Sales, I will say that it is a profitable, design driven, and a company that is growing in this market. And the IPO allowed investor to participate in that story. The strong listing shows market confidence, but as the company scales, it must improve the cash flow efficiency to support long term growth. So that's all for this company detail and its IPO detail. I'll be talking about more such companies and IPO in coming videos. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.